Hello guys, welcome to another video. Bit of a different one today. We've got a kettle review. Got a new kettle. Kettle's gone on the blink. Keeps boiling, not cutting off, so thought I need a new kettle. Been seeing all these viral videos on TikTok of all these kettles fast boil. So I didn't fall for it. Had a look on Amazon, found a better one. So the one on Amazon, one on TikTok worked out like £22 with postage, and it said fast boil, 1.8 litres, and it was just over, I think it was 1200 watts. This one off Amazon, I'll show you now. So this one, exactly the same, 1.8 litres, got your fancy little blue LED lighting and glass see-through kettle. This one is 3000 watts. So I don't know about anyone else, but I think that means it'll boil quicker. And apparently it'll boil in less than 3 minutes. So we're going to whap it out, fill it up with some water and give it a test. Here we go guys. So I filled it up to the max line, 1.8 litres. Nice little clip-on, clip-off lid. You can hear a little clicking mechanism. Nice and tight and secure. It has a anti-dry boil, so if there's no water in it, senses and cuts off. Let's see how it runs. Helps if we plug it in. There we go. Look at that. Woo, bit of blue. It's got your blue LEDs on now. Making a bit of noise here. Look at that already, there's little bubbles going. Barely seconds in. So apparently it can do 1.8 litres in less than 3 minutes. So let's see. I mean, it's already got bubbles going, that's impressive, and we're only like 30 seconds in, I'd imagine. So the flashing, it looks like it's flashing on camera, but it's not. It's not with the naked eye, so that must have just been a camera on the phone, making it look like it's flashing. Look at that guys, it's already going. And this video, I didn't put it on boil straight away, but we're on 1 minute 27 and it's already crack-a-lacking. It's already got a bubble, little jacuzzi going on in there. Let's see how we do. You can see the action, live action kettle boil. I'll just show you the box again for anyone that's interested. On Amazon, Chefman Fast Boil, 1.8 litre electric kettle. Don't mess about with the TikTok ones. Like I said, the TikTok one, exactly the same size and everything, half the amount of wattage, and it works out about £22 with the postage and stuff. Because with TikTok it says it's this price and that price, but when we get the shipping on your postage and packaging, it's another matter. So the TikTok ones were about £22. This one, £24.99 off Amazon. Double the wattage, 3000 watts. Looks exactly the same, available in white and black. And as you can see, it's already getting a good bubble on. This is at max capacity. You can see I've filled it right up to the maximum line. Let's get in there. We'll just make sure it boils and cuts off on its own accord like it should. It's getting a good bit of a bubbling going there now. Put some suspense music over this now. Dun, 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 dun. Tell you what, it's not going to be far off. I think it pretty much is 3 minutes. This video is just coming up to nearly 4 minutes, but I did about a minute of filming before I pressed the button, so I think it's going to be close to 3 minutes. It's getting some big bubbles going now. I think we're getting there. Look at this bubble action now. It's volcano. There we go, and it cut off. So judging by the length of this video, I'm thinking that was pretty much 3 minutes, like it said. Pretty good, that, fast boil. So yeah guys, if you want a good kettle, forget them TikTok nonsense. Get on Amazon Prime, get yourself next day delivery, free shipping, $25.99, bargain, bosh.